Be ready. Start. In the present case, admittedly, there is no order by which the said grant was stopped. In such circumstances, it is incumbent upon the respondents to give opportunity to the petitioners as to why the grant of selection grade scale of pay should not be discontinued. In that view of the matter, this writ petition is allowed in part to the extent that the respondents shall issue notice and give opportunity to the petitioners with regard to the decision that might be taken for discontinuance of selection grade scale of pay to the petitioner and shall pass appropriate order in respect thereof. The respondent had never asked for refund of the amount paid to the petitioner till today. Therefore, it will not be open to seek refund of the said amount herein. However, the question of continuance of selection grade scale of pay after June 94 may be considered and decided by the respondents in accordance with law having regard to the observation made him above after giving an opportunity to the petitioners. Such decision is to be taken as early as possible, preferably within period of 3 months from the date a copy of this order is furnished to the respondents. This order shall, however, confine to the case of the petitioners only. It will be open to the petitioners to establish their case for eligibility and entitlement to selection grade scale of pay provided they are so eligible. It will be open to them to claim such eligibility on account of their completion of 12 years of service after 1st June 85. Alternatively, all these questions with regard thereto are kept open. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioners contended that in case the appeal is decided first, the petitioners shall be highly prejudiced because in that event the prescribed authority will have no jurisdiction to examine merits of restoration application which is pending before him. This contention of the learned counsel for the petitioners carries weight. It is well settled that where an application for setting aside an ex parte order is moved before the trial court and an appeal is also filed against the same order, interest of justice requires disposal of restoration application first, for the simple reason that if appeal is decided prior in time, the lower court will be left with no jurisdiction to proceed with the restoration application because in such a situation the order of the lower court would merge in the order of the appellate court, and if he decide the restoration application, the order will be ultra vires. Mere filing of appeal does not take away the jurisdiction of the trial court to proceed with the application moved before him for setting aside the ex parte order. In such cases, the proper course is to get the hearing of appeal adjourned to enable the trial court to pass final orders on the restoration application. First, of course, keeping in view that the hearing of restoration application is not got adjourned by the appellate himself. In the circumstances, the district judge is directed to postpone the hearing of the appeal in question until the restoration application moved by the petitioner before the prescribed authority is finally decided. However, it is further made clear that the prescribed authority shall make every endeavor to decide the restoration application within the time specified in earlier order of this court dated 17th August 1998. Para. With the above observation, this writ petition is disposed of finally. A certified copy of the order may be made available to the parties' counsel on payment of usual charges within 2 days. Stop.